LSNE is a contract manufacturing organization. We specialize in aseptic fill finish and particularly in freeze drying. Pharma and biotech right now are seeing a lot of activity. There's a real renaissance in drug discovery. There's advances being made every single day. There's a lot of activity going on and a lot of good being done in the pharma and biotech space right now. There's just an amazing amount of innovation right now.
Lyophilization is our core expertise. We fill everything from liquid to lyophilized vials. We also do bottles as well as syringes, and these are new capabilities that we've added just recently.
LSNE operates out of a number of sites. We have 2 primary locations in the United States, one here in New Hampshire where the business started. Last year we acquired a site in Madison, Wisconsin, and most recently we added a site to our network in Lyon, Spain.
I've been here for 10 years. I've seen a lot of change in the company, but the one thing that hasn't changed is our scientific focus and our innovative approach that we take to all the projects. We also really focus on patient safety. Every employee that works at LSNE understands that the products that we're making are going into patients, and quality, reliability are important in everything that we do.
LSNE stands out because we have a long history of delivering on our promises. We've been in business now for 22 years. We're not new to the scene. We do what we say we're going to do, and everything else kind of takes care of itself. We've been growing because we are delivering on our promises.
We like to think of ourselves as LSNE guardians. It's something very core to who we are. In fact, it represents our core values. Simply said, it's about being accountable and being kind. And we want to be protective. We want to be protective of, first and foremost, our patients at the end who are being treated by a drug product. We also want to protect and support our clients. They have very expensive API, a bulk drug substance. It's really important to us to make sure that we put the clients first and we make sure we don't waste any of their drug product. And more importantly, it's about being accountable to each other and being guardians to each other, both within our functional groups, but more importantly across all of our functions and now across all of our sites, which are now all over the globe.
The work culture and the enthusiasm of our employees comes from a sense of purpose. What we're doing here affects public health. We manufacture drugs that treat rare conditions. Maybe people know somebody who their work is actually helping. So a lot of what we do on the development side is on the cutting edge of medicine today.
It's hard to say exactly where the market's going to go, but I think all indications point to the continued growth of injectable products, especially in lyophilization. And here at LSNE, we're working very hard to make sure that we can meet the capacity demands of the market.
Occasionally somebody's got a theory or a dream about how they're going to come up with a manufacturing process, and we take it and we reduce it to practice, and we find ways to make things reproducibly and safely and take somebody's idea that's on a bench and turn it into practice.